How to stop period pain immediately. How to reduce stomach pain during periods instantly. The menstrual cycle is a major part of every woman's life, and when it starts you feel weird and not good at all. Sometimes it comes with ease, but sometimes it can ruin your whole day because the numbers of women face menstrual cramps during their periods. Menstrual cramps affect your regular life and work. The pain affects your lower abdomen area, thighs, and your back. Excess pain does not allow leaving your bed and leads you to take pills that can cause harmful impacts on your body. Lack of exercise, smoking, excess bleeding, poor lifestyle, excess alcohol consumption, and drugs are the major cause of menstrual cramps. Cramps can appear before your periods and last for 2 to 3 days of the periods. If you are looking for a natural way to reduce menstrual cramps without yielding any adverse effects on your body, then this article can help you in a better way. Here we are going to mention some simple home remedies to menstrual cramps, so let's take a closer look at that. 1. Hot compress. Applying heat is one of the old and easiest ways to get rid of menstrual cramps, and it has zero side effects on your body. The heat helps to relax the contracted muscles of your lower abdomen and thighs. You just need to heat some water and put it into a heating pad and apply to the affected area until you feel better and calm. The cramps would also disappear or reduce soon. If the heat pad is not available, then you can use a plastic bottle filled with warm water, or you can simply use a medium-sized towel. Dip it into warm water, squeeze the extra water, and then apply on your lower abdomen. Repeat this thrice or more than that. Isn't that as far better than taking a painkiller? 2. Ginger. Ginger is also a powerful ingredient of nature that is beneficial to cure many health issues, so it is a great remedy to reduce menstrual cramps. Ginger also decreases tiredness and mood swings during the menstrual cycle. Consuming ginger on the regular basis can regulate your imbalanced periods. You just need to take some fresh ginger and grate it well. Now boil it into 1 cup of water for 5 to 7 minutes, then off the flame and sieve it into a cup and add some honey or lime and drink slowly. You can take this ginger tea twice a day and soon you feel that the cramps are gone, so is the pain and discomfort of periods. Also, try to add ginger to your regular meal as well. 3. Basil leaves. Basil is a popular ingredient to enhance food quality and taste. But many of us are not aware that basil has such components that ease menstrual pain and improve your digestive system and bowel management. You just need to add a handful of fresh basil leaves into 1 cup of boiling water. Off the flame and cover it well for 5 minutes, then let it cool for a minute and drink it firmly. Repeat the same procedure thrice a day. The acidic property of basil will reduce menstrual cramps. Try to add basil leaves to your daily meal. 4. Cinnamon. If you do not like ginger, then cinnamon can become a good option for you to treat menstrual cramps. Cinnamon has such ability to soothe the abdomen discomfort and contractions. It also eliminates blood clots and makes the consistency of your menstrual period. You just need to take a 1/4 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, which is easily available, or you can make it at home. Add it into 1 cup of boiling water and let it steep for 2 to 3 minutes. Let it cool down and add some honey to it. Drink this amazing cinnamon tea thrice a day and get the perfect results in pain-free periods. 5. Fennel. Fennel contains antispasmodic and anti-inflammatory properties that go well with reducing your menstrual cramps and improving irregular periods. Fennel helps to relax up the tight abdomen and uterus and makes you feel relieved. The procedure is also simple to make fennel drink. Add 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds into 1 cup of boiling water and let it boil for 5 to 7 minutes on the low flame. Sieve it into a cup and add 1 tablespoon of honey and mix well. Drink this tea twice just before starting your periods and consume it during your periods. Drink it hot and slowly and keep on repeating it until you feel the ultimate relief from the pain and cramps. 6. Papaya. Papaya is a great fruit with lots of beneficial components. Papaya has an anti-inflammatory quality that helps to ease your menstrual cramps and pain. You just need to eat papaya in your daily routine. You can also have a papaya shake or smoothie. Make sure that papaya should be well ripped and without any harmful chemicals. Cut it into small pieces and add some honey and eat simply. Its vibrant color and taste will please you, and the health benefits reduce your trouble for sure. 7. Blackstrap molasses. It is also useful to lessen menstrual cramps and pain. You just need to add 1 tablespoon of Blackstrap Molasses into 1 cup of milk and drink it whenever you feel that you are having cramps or pain in your lower abdomen during the periods. The described remedies are quite effective and very simple to use. All the ingredients are easily available in your kitchen. A woman needs such care and attention, so if your dear one having trouble regarding her menstrual time, then help her with these home remedies.